Model of the universe, the geocentric and the heliocentric models. Today, let's talk about how people have imagined the universe over time. People have always looked at the stars and wonder where we fit in. This led to some cool ideas or model about the universe. We're going to look at the two models, the geocentric and the heliocentric model. Geocentric means Earth is in the middle. For a long time, people thought this was true. We'll talk about why they believe it and how it shaped their view of the universe. Then we'll look at the heliocentric model, which means the sun is in the middle. We'll learn how the big thinker who come up with this idea and how they changed the way we see the universe. By comparing these models, we'll see how science and new ideas change our understanding of the cosmos. Let's get started.
Discussed the Ptolemaic geocentric system, Copernican heliocentric system, comparison between the two models. The purpose of this presentation is to how explore humanity's understanding of the universe evolved over time, from believing Earth was the unruly center of celestial nature, to recognize the Sun as the true centers of the solar system. By examining all of the Ptolemaic and Copernican models, we can understand how the specific taking of observation led to a major involvement.
Now, let's proceed to the first model of the universe, the Ptolemaic system, or also known as the geocentric model.
Claudius was an Alexandria, Greek astronomer and mathematician. He developed geocentric model around 150 CE. Claudius was born in 100 AD in Egypt and died in 186 AD. First, Aristotle didn't support Ptolemy's idea because Ptolemy lived century after Aristides. However, their ideas are so often linked because they both proposed the model, placing Earth at the center of the universe. As the statement said, they believed that the Earth is in the center of the universe and it is stationary, and the Sun, Moon, and other planets revolve around, and the stars are located and in the outmost part of the universe.
Ptolemy attempted to replace the model thought is world, called Almagest, introducing the concept and difference and epicycle to explain the planetary movement. The geocentric model held sway in scientific thoughts for thousands of years, but eventually the geocentric model was replaced in 16th century by the heliocentric.
And now, let's proceed to the next model of the universe, the Copernican system, or also known as the heliocentric model.
This model is considered the most accepted model because of the beliefs and accurate explanation for planetary motion. Nicolaus is a Polish astronomer, mathematician, and a physician who was born in February 19, 1473 in Toron, Poland, and died in the same year. He proposed the heliocentric model and the publish of his book named On the Revolutions of Heavenly Spheres. In this work, he presented the model that the planets, including Earth, orbits a stationary sun. He believes that the sun is in the center of the universe and the Earth, along with all the other planets, revolves around it, and the stars are located and fixed in the outermost part of the universe.
This model supported by Galileo Galilei, who discovery of the moons of Jupiter in 1610, who accepted Copernican model theory. It was Galileo observation of Venus of provide the theory. Using the telescope, Galileo found the Venus went through phases just like our moon.
The Ptolemaic system, a geocentric model, puts Earth at the universe center with the Sun and planets orbit Earth. In contrast, the Copernican system, a heliocentric model, placed the Sun at the center, with Earth rotating on its axis and revolving around it. The Ptolemaic model needs complex epicycle to explain planetary motion, whereas the Copernican system naturally experimented rich motion as planets pass each other. Historically, the Ptolemaic system prevailed in ancient and medieval times, supported by Aristotle, while the Copernican system emerged in the Renaissance, backed by Galileo Galilei. Today, the Copernican model is considered accurate, while the Ptolemaic system deemed incorrect.
In conclusion, the Ptolemaic model shaped early astronomy and philosophy. The Copernican model began the scientific revolution by challenging long-held beliefs. Today, the heliocentric model is accepted as correct. This transition marks a key movement in the evolution of scientific thought and human understanding of the universe.